Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this special look for my birthday. And the hair that I got today is from YiiHair. I got 3 bundles and a frontal. I'm going to show you guys what the hair looked like before we jump right into this coloring session. So here is the 22-inch. This is a 22-inch. And I've been into the hair, guys. I've been playing with it and everything. But this is a 22-inch. The hair is really soft. I like the quality of the hair. I wish it was a bit thicker. But other than that, I really like the hair. And it's true to length because I measured it off camera. This is the 20-inch right here, which is also full. It's very bouncy. Here's my 22. I'm sorry, this is my 24. Because I got 20, 22, 24, and an 18-inch frontal. And these bundle, like it comes in this really cute bundle wrap that I just adore. So here's the 24 right here. And then here's my frontal bunched up in here because I've been just messing with this. So here's my frontal. And one thing that I absolutely love about the frontal is how like deep the part I can, like basically I can make the part very deep on this frontal, and that's not very usual for most of my frontals. You see how long it is? So my part can go very deep in here. But yeah, this is what I got. Now I'm gonna go straight into coloring, and then after coloring I'm gonna apply it on my head, and then you guys get to see what it looks like. But yeah. Okay guys, so let's get started with the bleaching. So I'm using my bleach from Sally's Salon Care. It's called Quick White, I believe. And I'm using 30 developer. You can also use 40 developer to get a faster bleach. I would recommend 30 if you want your hair not to be damaged quicker. And then just mix it in and get this not really thick, but like not too creamy consistency is what I like to get for my bleaching job. And then after that, I take this red gold corrector from Sally's as well, and I drop just like a handful of it in there. I don't really measure it. I just drop like a good amount on there just to like color correct for me while I'm bleaching the hair. And then as you can see here, I got my bundle. I'm going to just pour some of the bleach on there, comb it out really good. And you want to make sure, the reason why I'm combing is because I want to make sure this dye goes through the hair completely, because I don't want any black patches or anything like that. That's why I keep like flipping it over and like massaging it in there. And guys, you literally repeat this step for all 3 bundles, including your frontal. And actually I started lower and then I went back and added a little bit more, like because I just wanted like a transition. So like I put the first one, let it sit there for like 5 minutes to get a little light, and then I put the second layer to make it the next shade, so that way it's not like one color all around. And also you want to put like little streaks on your hair, so that way you don't have that straight across line when you color your hair. So just like use the brush and just kind of like make it a little messy. So we just keep bleaching the hair. And yeah guys, also I know I mentioned earlier that the 40 developer damages your hair. It doesn't really damage your hair, it just like it processes the hair faster. And like if you were to leave it in there for too long, it could damage the hair. But that's honestly with any developer you use. So just like when you're coloring, just make sure you keep an eye on your hair, and you should be good to go. But yeah, this step is pretty easy. Literally when I got done applying this color, I went in and shampooed it with purple shampoo, and I let it dry overnight. And then I went back in with 2 Revlon dye, which I will also explain again at the end of this video, just in case you guys missed it. And also every single thing about this video would be in the description box below, because I know this video was kind of all over the place. But yeah, so this is my frontal. I actually I can't talk. I sectioned off the 2 little light pieces in front of my hair. I don't know why the heck I didn't show it, but I sectioned that off in the front and I colored those 2 little pieces. So hopefully, oh, here we go. So you see the little piece right here that I have in the rubber band? That's the little pieces in the very front of my hair. Um, that I sectioned off. So after this, I rinsed off the hair. I added my Revlon color and conditioned it, and then I went into styling it, which is my next clip right here. So here you're gonna see me just curl the hair with my curling iron. This is nothing special. I have a full video of how to curl your hair step by step in my channel. And also the hair is like wavy already because like I wanded it before curling it, and I didn't really like how it looked wanded. So like it was really frizzy wanded. So I wanted to I wanted a very smooth, finish. So I figured curling it would give it that look. So that's why I went in and curled it again with a curling iron. And after curling it, I applied the wig. Guys, I'm so sorry I did not record myself applying the wig. It's literally so hard to apply wig on camera. Like I like to stand in my bathroom mirror and apply my wigs, and my mirror, like my camera stand, does not fit in my mirror. So I'm gonna record how to apply your wig another day. I promise I will. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. So after I shampooed the bleach out of my hair, I went in with the purple shampoo and I shampooed it really well, and I actually let it sit in there for like 5 minutes, and then after that I rinsed the purple shampoo off. I let the hair air dry for a day. Then I went back in with Revlon color. This is only $2 at Walmart, and I used the color medium ash blonde and I use champagne blonde. Mix those two together and I put it on the very end and like right here where I highlighted the hair. And after that I rinsed it off again with purple shampoo, and then I went back again over it with another shampoo, like a regular shampoo, and then I conditioned it with the conditioner that came in the box dye, as well as just a regular conditioner. I mixed it together and I rinsed it off, and I'm gonna actually put this step down in the description box below just in case you forgot, if you want to screenshot it or something like that. But I'm very sorry guys that I did not record that part. It was just too much going on. But yeah, that is it, and that's how I achieved this beautiful color. Like I said, this weekend is my birthday weekend, so I'm going to New York for my birthday, and I just wanted something different, cute, glamorous. I just want to be like, what's up, I'm here. So that's exactly what this hair is giving me. It's giving me, yes mama, slay mama, you the baddest. It's giving me all kind of vibes that I'm messing with. So this is one of the only frontals I've ever gotten that like actually fit my forehead correctly, because my forehead is just it's huge. So like this frontal still lets me have a big forehead without because usually I feel like the frontals that I usually get comes out this way and then it goes back in, and I don't like that. But anyways, yes, this is it. I love the color. I love the hair. It's still soft even after the bleaching that it went through and the coloring. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I make my wig or who makes my wig. I make my wigs, and very soon I'm gonna have my website and you guys can go on there and order, and I'll make the wig and ship it to you. Thank you guys so much for watching.
No. What is this magic? I need that magic. Everywhere you go is the main attraction. Your yash was a house to be a mansion. When you're on the road, this is a distraction. All the things you wear